Hi, and welcome to my channel. I'm the Finance Guy. Once a week, I pick my favorite stock on what I'm interested in and why I'm interested in it. So today I wanted to go over Adobe stock. I think it's really important when you're thinking about investing, you also think of a high-flying growth-related stock as well. I cover the topic of a lot of value investing on my channel. If this is the first time seeing it, check out some of my other videos. And Adobe just kind of fell into that kind of interesting category where I think it's a really high-growth stock, and I think you should have a really balanced portfolio. Not only think about doing some value investing, but also potentially doing some growth investing. One of the more interesting things about Adobe is that it has a really high PE ratio, but the debt to equity ratio is really low. And that's something I really like, is that its debt to equity is actually fantastic. Its price to book ratio is really high at 14.4, but the cash flow from the company is actually going up exponentially. It's doing really good. And its revenue is also on the increase, almost double in 4 years, which is really important. And I know you're probably wondering, with such high PE ratios and such high evaluations, is it really good a time to buy the stock? And ultimately, I think that Adobe is just a really great software developer. They have just great products like Photoshop, Lightroom, Illustrator, InDesign, Adobe Premiere Pro. This is actually what I'm editing on. After Effects, Dimension, Dreamweaver, Animate, Acrobat Pro, Adobe Audition, Lightroom Classic, Character Animation, Spark, Bridge. They use a media encoder for encoding your videos, InCopy, Prelude, StoryPlus, and Fuse, which is in beta right now. And as always, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just here to help you guys understand my perspective on a company that I'm really thinking about investing in over the long term. As you can see, Adobe's been around for some time, since, over 20 years ago, but as time has gone on, this tech company has done even better and better, and right now, it's really expensive. But I think you guys could also look into why it's expensive. Like think about all the amount of people that are using Adobe products, and now it's on a subscription-based service. And I think that's really advantageous for the company. It's really brought in a lot of free cash flow, and I think that's something that's really important to think about investing. What kind of cash is this company bringing in right now, and what amounts? And as you can see, the revenue from this company is just quite stable and quite explosive, it seems like. It seems like this company is just becoming more and more profitable, and it's just something that really is exciting when it comes to investing in a high growth stock, is that it just has free cash flow, and it's just positive, and everything is just really excellent when it comes to this company, and its debt to equity ratio is really good. It's just all around a really solid stock. I just really like Adobe, and I think that this company has a great future ahead of it, and I think that the stock is really expensive right now, but it's on my radar as one of the stocks that I'm interested in buying in the future. And given fair evaluations, if this stock came down to a really good ratio, I think that this would make a great long-term buy and hold. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video today, guys. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Comment down below. I really look forward to hearing back from you guys. And give me a like if you really like the video. Hope to see you guys again very soon. Thank you very much for watching.